Do you like apple cider? Do you like donuts, but without all the carbs and sugar? Then you definitely gotta try my apple cider donuts. These donuts have big apple cider taste that you expect, but without all the carbs and sugar, which is the perfect guilt-free, gluten-free dessert. I'm Chris, and you're watching Eat Well, Live Well, where we take traditional international food and drinks and transform them into healthier versions. Make sure you stick around to discover more of our healthier recipes. Now it's time to make our amazing apple cider donuts. So let's get started.